First step, setting offset. Firstly, put a proton, which was laid into the base, then make a rectangle for any size in the software. Set the rectangle size in the top right corner box. After made a rectangle, click Effect Ctrl Card to make the outline. Set the distance to 0 in the pop-up box and click Apply. Click Effect Ctrl Card Mark to make the mark point, then click Apply. Click Printing button and set the position of the rectangle in the pop-up box. Please set the rectangle in the center for the follow control card. And set the scales for 100%, then click OK. Put the printed rectangle with cutting mat into the plot. Press Online Menu Original Point key to debug out the laser, and move the carriage to set the distance of the blade base and the right side plate more than 40 mm. Click Ctrl Card button on the software. Click Option in the pop-up box and double-click Ctrl Card. Then set the offset X, offset Y to 0 in the pop-up box and click Send. Click OK in the pop-up box. The carriage will move a distance automatically. Control the laser by the direction arrow in the software to aim at the first mark point. Also can control by the keyboard of the computer. Then click OK. Use the same method to aim at the second mark point. Click OK and ensure. The machine starts cutting contour. After measure the offset by vernier caliper. Record measurements. The upper offset 16.2, left 4.6. Double-click Control Cut, setting the offset X to negative 16.2, offset Y to negative 4.6 in the pop-up box. Click Apply and click Send to test again. Click OK and aim at the 2 mark point in the pop-up box. Different plots have different offset value depending on measure. Second step, cutting control. Input a diagram, click Effect Control Cut to make the outline and click Apply. Click Effect Control Cut Mark to make the mark point, then click Apply. Click Print button, then click OK. Put the printed picture into the plot. Press Online menu Original Point key to debug out the layer. And move the carriage to set the distance of the black base and the right side plate more than 40 mm. Click Cutting Contour part and click Option in the pop-up box, then click Send. Click OK. The carriage will move a distance automatically. Then aim at the first mark point width, controlled by the direction arrow. After it, click OK and go to aim at the second mark point. After aim at to mark point, click OK. The plot starting cutting control.